Good Thursday afternoon. This is Freddie Ziegler with the weekly weather briefing. And this is actually a weather briefing that's going to go through October 17th, next Wednesday or Thursday. Here are some things that we're concerned about for the next 7 days. Showers and thunderstorms are expected this afternoon. They're already occurring this Thursday afternoon and Friday ahead of a cold front. Moderate southeast winds, along with the tide cycles, will cause minor inundation of low-lying areas this afternoon and also midday Friday. And the burn ban remains in effect across parts of Louisiana and Mississippi, along with the D0 drought conditions, abnormally dry conditions. And no tropical systems are expected to impact the North Gulf over the next 5 days. So that's a kind of an overview in a nutshell, but no severe weather expected for the next 7 days. Here is the 7-day threat outlook, and lightning is going to be an issue this afternoon and more than likely Friday with the approach of the cold front. This may impact a lot of the outdoor activities, football games, and festivals that may be occurring across southeast Louisiana and southern Mississippi. Going into the evening time, that should be tapering off somewhat, at least the coverage. Mississippi coast may be impacted through the evening hours as the showers and thunderstorms move off to the east as the front continues to move through the area. Coastal flooding it looks like that's occurring in parts of Hancock County. That may abate a little bit as the tide cycle goes down a little bit as we go into low tides. And again, for high tide and with the southeast flow ahead of the cold front, you may be having an issue there for some areas in Hancock County, and some of the other areas may get about a half a foot, possibly a foot above normal. And look for some coastal flood statements that may be issued for those impacts. Marine winds, definitely southeast winds around 15 to 20 is piling up a lot of that water along with the tide cycles. That may exist today and through Friday, maybe abating a little bit on Friday as the front moves in, but definitely behind the front, we're expecting those northerly winds to cause some problems for small marine vessels and small crafts, and that's going to be late Friday night into Saturday. The tropics remain quiet for the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean Sea, mostly our source for tropical weather this time of year, and not expecting any impacts through next week. The drought remains a problem across the southeast United States. For southeast Louisiana and southern Mississippi, we're in a D1, which is abnormally dry conditions, and they're expected to continue, even though we're starting to get some fronts in the area. We still remain somewhat dry, and that's going to persist through October, as October is normally our driest month of the year. Rainfall amounts with the front that's going to be pushing through tomorrow, and also another system that's going to be affecting us Tuesday into Wednesday. The amounts are generally around 1 to 2 inches over the 7-day period. Higher amounts are expected across central, northeast Louisiana and central Mississippi, and that's due to a front that's going to be approaching us on Tuesday, Monday into Tuesday into Wednesday. May have more rain up in that area, but definitely generally 1 to 2 inches across southeast Louisiana and southern Mississippi. As an overview, showers and thunderstorms this afternoon and Friday. Moderate southeast winds and a tide cycle may cause some minor flooding outside the out of the low-lying areas this afternoon and midday Friday. Burn ban remains in effect for Louisiana and Mississippi, and no tropical systems impacting the area for the next 5 days. That's all I have for today.